Hi everyone. Good morning.
Hello, hi sir, good morning.
Very good morning. Yeah. So there is a one session is pending for SQL Server. I will complete it on today, and from tomorrow we are going to continue our Power BI. Where I kept this file. Okay. So window functions are pending. So that I'm just going to talk on today. And once this is completed, we are going to resume our Power BI sessions. So in interview, there will be 100% a question about row number and dense rank. These two functions you should remember, and they're very important even for data engineering, especially row number is very, very important. So it is used to generate a sequence number. If you take a row number is used to generate the sequence numbers. By partition, we can generate the sequence numbers, and without partition also, we can generate the sequence number. So I wanted to take the employee table. We already having an employee table in the sales underscore DB. So let me take that. So here I have a feed employee data into the employees table. I wanted to get the data from the employee table and bring that into the employees table. Select star from employee. So we already know how we can feed the data. We already feeded some data in the table. So from this table, I wanted to feed into the employees table. Into the employees table, I wanted to do it. So here I have a 12 records. So to get some duplicates, I wanted to take 7369 and 7499. These two records also I'm going to take 2 times. Union all. Select star from employee where employee number equals to 7369 or employee number equals to 7499. If I execute this query, you will be having 2 records. These 2 records and these 12 records, both are going to be appended. Both are going to be appended vertical combining. Now I can see here how many records, 14 records are there here. Total 14 records. The first query is having 12 records and the second query is having 2 records. So that means 7369 and 7499 is there 2 times. This is 2 times and this is 2 times. So I wanted to take this data and I wanted to feed this data into the table called employees table. So we know already how we can keep the data inside a table by using the select statement. So after from we have to specify it. If we keep the table name here into table name, this will bring the data from only not here, in front of the from. You have to keep like this. But the problem if you keep like this is it takes the data from only employee table. It will not take the data from this query. So to bring the data from both the places, we need to write one more select statement on top of this. So last few sessions we talked about how we can write a select statement. So you feel that this entire thing is a table name and select star from, then bracket open and bracket close and T. So like this we can write it. We can write a select statement on top of select statement. So here I am going to write select star from bracket open. This entire thing is the name of the table for us. Close the bracket and give a alias name as T. Even if I execute this entire query, you are going to get the same result, 14 rows. So in the outer query, we need to keep the into employee table, employees, into employees. I'm just going to create a one more new table by bringing the data from these two queries. If I execute it, we can see 14 rows are there inside this table. So if I write select star from table name here, execute only this line alone. And now you can see here 14 rows. So 7369 two times is there. 7369 is here and 7369 is here. And 7499 as well as here also 7499. Now let me take a situation here. I have a 14 rows. I wanted to generate the row number. I wanted to generate the row number. Write a SQL statement to generate row numbers. To generate row numbers. So if you take this data here, the row numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I wanted to generate. This is not a row number. Okay. So here I wanted to have a separate column like your employee number. Here I wanted to generate 1, 2, 3, something like this. I wanted to get it. So if you want to get that result, then we need to generate the sequence numbers. In order to generate the sequence numbers, we can use a row number function. Row number function is used to generate the sequence numbers. Without partition, I'm going to show you now. Select from employees. I wanted to take the data from the employees. So to generate the row number, row underscore number is the function. Then in the over, we have to specify the syntax will be like this. Row number, it's a function. Over order by employee number. So based on the employee number, I wanted to do it. Over order by employee number in descending order as row num. So I'm just giving something like this. Let's execute it and see the result here. So we need to remember the syntax. This is going to be fixed because it is one window. Row number, row underscore number over this employee number. I wanted to generate the sequence number. But this number should be in a order by employee number. So what order I wanted to take? Descending order I wanted to take it. Order is descending order. So we are having a two orders, ascending orders and descending orders. So this is low to high, and high to low heat. So whatever it is, you can take order, or you can even take it out. That's not a problem. It is going to generate the sequence numbers. So this is row number. And then we need to have other columns also, right? I'm just going to take a star. Let's execute now. Now you can see row number is there and employee number is there. 7369, 7369, 7499. So for everything, it is generating the row number. So row number based on the employee number, it is generating. And write a SQL code to generate the row numbers by partition. So I wanted to generate the row number based on the partition. So when we are going for the partition is, if you want to remove the duplicate records, if you want to remove the duplicate records, then there is a more chances to go with the partition wise row number generation. So in two approaches, I'm going to show you. We already know the first approach is writing a select statement in place of table name. And second approach, I'm going to take with CTE. With two different approaches, I wanted to take you through that. So here my partition I'm going to take partition by is the reason why I wanted to take is, let's say for example, 7369 is this, two times is there. I wanted to generate 1, 2 for 7369, 7499, 7499, 1, 2, and for all these things, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 will come. So I'm going to group the employees. I'm going to group the employees, and then I'm going to generate the sequence numbers. Okay, so based on the employee number, I'll take it. Let me check, is there? Okay, employee number. Let me take. Select star from employees. It's going to get like this, right? So I wanted to generate the row number. To generate the row number, you can generate the row number at the end or in the beginning also can do it. So whatever the place you wanted to generate, you can take it. Row underscore number over. Inside the bracket, you have to specify partition also. Partition by employee number. Partition by employee number, comma, not a comma, just give a space. Order by employee number. Previously, we have taken only order by. We need to take partition by employee number also. So every employee number is going to be treated as one partition, one group. So when there is a duplicate, so all the duplicate employee numbers will fall into one window, one partition, and within that it is going to order by employee number in ascending order as row number. Let's give a comma. Now execute it. You can see how it is getting. Give me a minute. I am back. So if you want to take only, if you want to take only, what I'm going to say, only row number, if you want to take only this columns only, then you can take it. But when you have this one, if you want to remove the duplicates, then you can apply, you can write one more select statement on top of this. After generating the select statement, after generating the row numbers, you can apply a filter to remove the duplicates. So how we are going to do is the approach one I'm going to show you. So let me keep this at the end. I don't want to keep in the starting. Let's re-execute it. Now I have a row number here. I wanted to remove the 7369 is there two times. I wanted to keep only one time. So every employee should be there only one time. So if that is the case, then you can write one more select statement on top of this. Select star from this bracket open and bracket close. If I execute this, it's going to give a same result. Give a alias name as T. Now you can see the data here. 1, 2, 1, 2 like this. So once you have a outside select statement, you can apply a filter where row num equals to 1. So if you take a row number equals to 1, automatically it is going to give only unique records. So the 7369 is going to show you only one time because you are applying a filter outside row number equals to 1. If I execute this, now you can see there is only 14 records. So we don't have the duplicated records here. We have only unique records. So if you want to take out this row number from the select list, then you have to write a list of columns here, like employee number, employee name, job, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. So you can list out the columns in order to get only specific columns data only. Now you can see only unique records are available. The second approach is with CTE also we can do it. The CTE also, this entire thing we can keep in the CTE, and from the CTE we can get the data. How we can do is with CTE 6 I'm taking as bracket open, bracket close, select star, comma. So same thing, I'm just going to have it row number over partition by employee number, order by employee number as row number. Now, now CTE6 is having this entire data along with the row number. If I say select star from CTE, if I write a select star from CTE, you are going to get the employee data as well as row number. Something is missed. Employee number, columns. Okay, employees. Where is the from? I have not written here. From employees. Now it's coming like this. So here also we can apply a filter where row num equals to 1. If I apply row num equals to 1, you are going to have only unique records. So in the select list, you can keep only the required columns. The way I kept here select required columns, the same columns I can keep in place of the star. Now if I execute it, you're going to see only unique records, that is only 12 records. So this is how we can remove the duplicate records. Okay. So on this one and these two are same only. Even in the bottom I have given. Write a SQL statement to get only unique records by using select in place of table name. How we can do it? These two different approaches is the same answer only. For these two questions, answer is same. And write a SQL statement to generate the row numbers based on the department. So department wise, I wanted to generate the row numbers. Department wise, I wanted to generate the row numbers. Like department number 10, you are having some employees. I wanted to see 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So department wise, how we can generate the row numbers, you can see with the two different approaches. For this one, approach is not required. Select from employees. So from here, I wanted to take all the columns and then I wanted to generate the row number by department number. Row underscore number over. So here partition is there based on the department wise. So department wise, I wanted to generate the row number over partition by department number, order by employee number as row number. So partition wise, I wanted to generate the row numbers. The partition is department wise. So in department number 10, I have a 5 employees. For 5 employees, it will show 1, 2, 3, something like that. You just observe. Let me execute this and see the result. So department number 10, I have a 2 employees, 7782 and 7839. So it is generating row number 1 and row number 2. And department number 20, I'm having 5 employees. So it is generating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And department number 30, I'm having 7 employees. So it is generating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So department wise, it is generating the row number. Department wise, it is generating the row numbers. Write a SQL statement to generate the rank for salary by using the rank function. So here I wanted to generate the rank based on the salary. Based on the salary, I wanted to generate the rank. Just observe how exactly it is going to be there. Select from employees, star. Or let me write a select statement. Employee number employee name, job, department number, and salary. So I'm just writing a statement like this. I'm just taking only required columns. So now based on this salary, I wanted to generate the rank. So when I use rank function, how it is going to behave? When I use dense rank, there is a dense rank is there. When I use the dense rank, how it is going to generate, we'll see that. Write a SQL statement to generate, yeah. Here we are writing, right? Yeah, comma. Same wherever we have used row number. In place of row number, I'm going to use rank. You can see I have a row number. In place of row number, I'm going to take rank. Over is same, over order by salary. So we are generating based on the salary. So I'm just going to take salary in descending order as rank. Over order by salary. So for entire salary, for our entire employees, I wanted to generate the ranks. Now if I execute this, what happens? You can see 5,000 is one time is there, rank 1. That is the top highest salary. I don't have any problem with that. And 3,000 is 2. And 297975 is 3. 2850 is 4. 1600 is 5. Up to here, I don't have any problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1600 is also 5 because same salary is getting 5. That is fine. After 5, basically we have to get the 6. 6 is not coming. It is giving a next rank is 7. So how exactly it is going to be happen is, here I have a 5th rank plus how many times the same value is there here? 2 times is available plus 2. So equal to 7. So 2 times it is going to jump. Since it is having 2 times it is repeated, 2 times it is going to jump. So the next rank 1500 is there. The 1500 is getting 7. 7 is getting for 1500. That is fine. And 1250 is having 8 because after 1500 we have only 1250. But if you observe this 1250 is having 8. So the next has to get 1250 is 8, 1250 1250 that is fine because same value is there here. The next different value has to get 9. But how many times it is repeated here? 3 times. So plus 3 equal to 11. So 11 it will go to the next value. So for next different value it is going to take the 11th rank. So like this it is going to get this rank function. But I wanted to get here is 9 I wanted to get in place of 11, and here in place of 7 I wanted to get the 6. So if you want to get the correct rank, then we are going to use the function called dense rank function. Here I have given the definition of these functions. It is used to generate the rank after completion of repeated numbers. Rank will take row number. So rank will take how many times it was generated, that many times it is going to be repeated, that many times it is going to be added. And dense rank, it is generated same, it is also generate the sequence number only. But it will not take the row number after completion of repeated numbers. So that means the same to same I'm going to take here. Just copy and paste it. In place of rank, I'm going to say dense rank. I'm going to say dense rank. Now you can see here dense underscore rank. I have a rank. Now if you observe, 500 is 1, 300 is 2, 2975 is 3, 2850 is 3, 4, 1600 is 5 because after 2850 is 1600, so it is giving a 5. Next also I have a 1600, it is giving a 5 because same repeated value. And here I'm having a 1500, 6, 1250 is 7, 1250 is 7, 1250 is 7. After 1250 I'm having 1100, 1100 is 8. So rank is not jumping here. So they're going to ask, I wanted to generate the rank like this, how you can get it. So whether we need to use the rank function or dense rank function, you have to say that. Write a SQL statement to get highest salary employee details. Highest salary employee details, I wanted to get it. How you are going to get it? Okay. Write a SQL statement to get highest salary employee details. So approach 1 and approach 2. So first you need to generate the ranks. So in the top, we already generated the rank number. Here we have generated the rank. I'm just taking the same query here. Just paste it here. But here it is not asking all the employees. It is asking the top highest salary employees. So I need to take only the query. If I execute it, we're having the data is like this. Write a SQL statement to get highest salary employee details. Highest salary, who is getting 737839 is getting highest salary. So to get this one, you need to write one more select statement on top of this because you have to apply a filter. So approach 1, writing a select statement in place of another, writing a select statement in place of table name, right? Select star from, select star from, bracket open and bracket close as T. You can see same result, but I wanted to take only rank 1 because the highest salary we need to get it. Where we know where already. T dot rank. Now let's execute it. Sorry, equals to 1. Now execute and see the result. You can see only one rank here, only one employee. The topmost highest salary, if they ask, how can you write a select statement to get the highest salary employee details? This is how we can write it. So another way also we can write, that is approach 2 with the CTE. With CTE 7, bracket open and bracket close. So this entire thing I'm just going to keep here as, now result is there inside the CTE. Select star from CTE name. So once you have a CTE, you can apply a filter here where rank equals to 1, So write a SQL statement to get third highest salary. Not first highest salary. Third highest salary, approach 1 and approach 2. So approach 1, I'm taking a copy. Let me take this entire thing. Copy this. I'm just pasting here. So this time I'm not expecting first highest salary. I'm expecting third highest salary. Just in place of 1, I'm going to say 3. Now let's execute it and see third highest salary is available. In the same way, approach 2 is with the CTE approach. You can take this copy and here we are going to have a third highest salary. Same to same result. Now I'll give a one question here. Write a select statement to get least salary employee details. So how we can get the least salaried employee details? Least salary employee details I wanted to get. Select from employees star comma star comma dense rank over order by salary. So here in place of descending, we can leave it as it is as rank. So when you have a ascending, how exactly it is going to be there? When you have a descending, how exactly it is going to be there? I'm just trying to give a rank here. Let me execute it. Now you can see the least salary is 800. If I wanted to get the highest salary in place of here, we can add a descending order to get the highest top highest salaries. Then you can go for descending. If you want to go for less, then you just go for ascending. You can specify ascending. Even if you don't specify, by default, it will take ascending order only. So I'm just referencing ascending as we have specified here descending. So in place of descending, you just keep ascending, or even if you take out it, automatically it takes ascending order. Now the rank is generated here. Now I wanted to get the least salary only. Then we need to write one more select statement. Select star from bracket open. This entire thing will go as a table name as T, where T dot rank equals to 1. The least salaried employee details are available here. 7369, 7369, 800 is there. So in the same way, if you do it with approach 2, so with the CTE 8, I'm taking anything that you can take as bracket open and bracket close. So inside these braces, we need to write a select statement. Select star comma dense rank over order by salary ascending as rank from employees. Now, if you want to see the data from this CTE 8, select star from CTE 8. Let's execute it. Now the least salary is available here. So if you want to filter it, the same to same, we are going to say where rank equals to 1. So here we're giving a rank equals to 1, but the order of the salary is ascending order. So it is going to give a from low to high. Low to high will be generated here. If I go with ascending order, and if I go with the descending order, it is going to generate from high to low. The highest values, highest salaries will be on the top and lowest salaries in the bottom. So like this, it is going to do it. Okay, so these functions are very important, how we can remove the duplicates. So removing duplicates, we do not recommend with distinct. With the distinct also we can do it. But the problem is when you go with the distinct, if you have a millions of records, we do not recommend this. If you have just thousands of records, then you can go for that, but not recommended when you have a experience. We have to use the row number and then we have to apply a filter to remove the repeated numbers. So this kind of approach at the time of preparing a query for your Power BI reporting, we used to use frequently row number function to remove the duplicates when the select statement gives a duplicated records. Okay. So in the next session, we are going to resume our Power BI sessions. So in the Power BI, we have seen Power Query. Power Query we completed. And in the next session, we are going to start talking about Power Pivot. So how we can read the data from the database? Frequently, we are going to see only reading from a database. So make sure install SQL Server in your systems and make sure to have Contosa Retail DW in your system. So that I'm going to take the data from this databases with this sample data. We have a various dimension tables and fact tables are there. So I'm going to bring the data from this database to explain about Power Pivot modeling, how we can do the modeling and how we can make the relationship between the tables. What are the different types of relationships we're having? What are the different types of schemas we're having? So all those things we're going to start talking about them from tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow we have a session, and if you have any doubt with the SQL, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Any question?
No, no from my end, sir.
Okay. So practice the SQL. SQL is important. Whatever I said, just concentrate on that only.
Okay.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.